Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta using wheat flour. Start by measuring flour and eggs precisely and create a small well on your work surface. Mix gradually with a fork until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for about 10 minutes until smooth. Rest the dough for 30 minutes wrapped in plastic. Roll thinly and cut to your desired shape, then cook briefly in boiling salted water. Use 100 grams of flour per person as a starting point and add 1 egg per 100 grams for richer dough. For a lighter texture, use 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt. If dough is dry, add water 1 teaspoon at a time. If too sticky, dust with flour. Try semolina, mixing half and half for bite. Always rest the dough and roll consistently for even cooking. After rolling, dust sheets lightly and fold to cut fettuccine or use a knife for ribbons. For filled shapes, keep filling cold and seal edges tightly. Dry fresh pasta briefly to avoid sticking, or freeze for longer storage. Cook fresh pasta 2 to 4 minutes in rapidly boiling water and test for al dente texture. Pair with simple sauces like marinara, brown butter sage, or a light olive oil and garlic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.